Hey gang, with the Millers.
In paradise.
Another dining review tonight.
Yep. It's going to be a simple, easy one. We're at Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. Yeah, I love it.
And for one specific reason. Right here on my phone.
Cover your eyes.
Did it work?
I think. I don't know.
Okay, well. They have, you can get a Blizzard for 85 cents with the purchase of anything that's $1. You do have to have the rewards program, so you have to have the app on your phone and be a rewards member or whatever. But it's their 85th anniversary, so they're celebrating with 85-cent small Blizzards. And this is good through April the 6th. So we're running out of time. So I wanted to come get my 85-cent Blizzard.
Yeah, only got like a week left, yeah.
So I have no idea what I'm going to get to eat. I think Randy, he has an idea, but
I
anyway.
think I got an idea what I want, yeah.
But yeah, we're here for the Blizzards. And I can't wait. So let's go.
Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. Dairy Queen. A big spoon for the door handle.
Yep.
Hours 10 to
10 to 10.
10 to 10 or 10 to 10:30 Friday and Saturday.
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get some ice
Get
cream.
a Blizzard. Oh, Blizzard cakes. See with a glare. There you go.
Yum.
There you go. $7 meal deal. Yep. That's pretty good. That comes with a Sunday if you want to get that free Blizzard. Or 85-cent Blizzard, excuse me. I might skip that. There we go. There's the burgers. Zoom into it a little bit. Alright, I'll show you what we get. Alright, what you got, honey bun?
Alright, I got the chocolate dipped strawberry. And it's got real strawberry pieces in it. And hunks of chocolate. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you. Food showed up while we're doing the video. Anyway.
No. Anyway, it is really, it's so good. The only thing is when they brought them straight to us, they were already melting, like very melting.
That's unusual.
Yeah, so I wanted to make the thumbnail holding them upside down. That wasn't happening.
It's still good.
Yeah. It's so good. Alright, what kind did you get?
I got the turtle, I think it's called. Caramel turtle or something.
Something pecan.
What is that?
Yep, turtle.
Turtle pecan.
Alright, I'll try it and see if it's any good.
Like honey bun. Mine's a little bit soupy, but
Yep.
anyway.
Is that good?
I'm not a sweet person, but that's good.
Yeah, I mean it's got caramel, pecans, chocolate. It's got to be good.
Yeah, it is. That's very good.
Yep.
Alright. We had a choice. Do we eat this first or eat the food first?
I think we're going to have to eat these first.
I know.
They're
I'm usually
actually
protein first, dessert later, but
Yeah, they're actually more like milkshakes right now.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, definitely soupy compared to
I
normal.
think you could drink that with a straw.
Yeah.
Alright, well we'll show you what we actually got to eat in just a minute.
Alright, what you got, honey bun?
Alright, I got, it was a combo meal. I think it's a number 11. Original single burger. A drink, I got a root beer. And then I did an upcharge and got onion rings instead of fries. And my total was $9.35. And then I had the Blizzard for 85 cents. So, but $10 because I rounded up for a little charity thing they have. So, alright, it's just a single cheeseburger here with mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, and pickles. The bun is nice and fresh.
Yeah, pretty good.
Very soft. Alright.
Condiments are leaking.
I can see me about to make a big man. That's good. I have to have another bite.
You ate here, what, I don't know, almost a year ago, I guess it was, when it first opened. And it was good.
It's been a long
I
time.
don't think we did a video then, though. No. Alright, try the onion.
Alright.
Good?
Those are really good.
Yeah, it looks good.
You have to share these with me.
Yeah, we got that, and I'll show you mine. I got chili cheese dogs.
Yep.
They're very messy to eat, but they're good. And I got the fries, so we're gonna share fries and onion rings.
Yep. I'm gonna let you cut your hot dog first.
Yeah, I gotta
and
cut
get
it
it
'cause
ready.
it's messy to try to pick up and eat, so I'm gonna cut it and eat it with a fork.
Alright, we'll show you his first bite after he gets it cut.
Alright.
Alright, he's cut.
Alright. There we go.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's a good bite.
Alright. Goes nothing.
Those are cupcakes. I like buying them for the kids. Like one birthday.
Good?
Very good.
We're hooked on these.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Surprisingly good.
Yeah.
We're hooked on them.
Well, I never had one here, so yeah, it is kind of
Yeah.
surprising, but yeah, it's good. They had the burger that last time we were here, that was good too.
Yeah.
That's
Alright.
good.
Try your fries and
We're
then
definitely
try,
gonna share this, I think.
Then try-
Honey Bun loves chili dog too. So.
try an onion ring too.
Yep, there you go. Here's the fries. Pretty good too.
I think you're gonna like the onion rings.
Crispy outside, soft inside. Good. All right, let's try an onion ring here.
Yep.
I'll get one of these broke up looking ones. All right, here we go.
Nice crunch.
Crunchy. That's good.
Those are good, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yep.
Very good.
Yep. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I love a good crunchy onion ring. That's good.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll have to trade and You try to bite a burger and I'll try to bite a hot dog
Yep.
and all that.
Put you a bite.
Alright, let's enjoy.
All right. I'll move it a little bit. All right. Bite a hot dog.
Yeah, I'll try the hot dog.
Put you a piece of it.
Then I want you to try the burger.
All right.
And in between, I'm enjoying my blizzard.
All right.
Somebody's struggling.
This chili dog's a little messy.
Yeah.
Cover the eyeballs. Anyway, here you go.
That's a big bite. I don't think I can take a
Oh,
bite
you
then.
can have it.
No.
Here you go.
No. Okay, now that I got it in a manageable size.
That chili's good.
That is good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's really good. Alright, gonna bite a burger? Just be
Yeah.
careful.
Fix the camera out so you can see me. There you go.
Hold it over because it's
Yeah. Plenty of ketchup and mustard and stuff on it. I mean, not mustard, mayo. Ketchup, mayo.
and mustard too.
And mustard too. Okay. All right, give it a shot. And a pickle hanging outside.
Just for you.
Yeah. That's good. I made a mess.
Yep, a little bit. There you go.
That's good. Like I said, that bun is awesome.
Yeah, the bun is amazing.
That tastes good though. Yeah.
Alright, well let's dig in.
Yeah, let's eat while it's still warm.
Yep.
Oh, we haven't tried to fry yet.
Oh, no.
Fry. Hang on, let me get the camera straight. All right, go ahead. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Gotta have another one.
Yeah, pretty good.
I have a medium,
Yep, those are good.
Just put markups.
Everything's good.
Yeah.
And by the way, I don't know if y'all can hear me, I'm on the side of the camera, but Honey Bun talked about what she paid. Mine was,
$1 cheaper than.
yeah, it was $8.43 and then tax and then rounded up to $9 with the charity or whatever you call it thing. So pretty good deal. For the money is not bad, yeah. So anyway, we're going to enjoy this. We'll be back in a minute. We live. Mary Gang, that was Dairy Queen.
Very good.
What do you think?
That was really good. My blizzard was the star of the show. It was amazing, especially for 85 cents. Usually they're $5 for that size, so that's a big saving. So between now and April 6th, if you want one, come get you one, but make sure, like I said, you have the app on your phone and you're signed up for the rewards program because it's technically a reward. And you do have to spend at least $1. But you could buy you a drink and it'd be good.
Yeah,
What did you think of your blizzard?
it was melted.
Other than that, it was melted a little.
It was strange, and we even said something to the server. I said, nothing wrong with that. Which, yeah, well, whatever. I mean, it was good. I'm not a sweet person. I'm not a big ice cream fan either, but
No, he's not.
it was good. I had a few bites of it and all that, but that chili dog was awesome. And the fries are good too.
The onion rings.
Onion rings very good. That burger she had was good. Everything was good.
Yep. And
cheap too, really. I mean,
yep.
we're both full and we only spent what? $19, something like that.
Yeah.
It was pretty good, so yeah.
So that's a good deal. Now, if we'd have paid full price for those blizzards, it'd have been a lot more. But he wouldn't have got one if it wasn't for the deal. Just because he's not a huge ice cream person, I am, and I had the chocolate dipped strawberry one, which was amazing. But yeah, this was really good, and we're on Highway 27 in the Four Corners area of Claremont.
Yep.
And that's where we are. And yeah, that was really good. I highly recommend. The burger kind of reminds me of Burger King a little bit. Did it to you?
Yeah, kind of, sort of, yeah. But that chili on my chili dog was good. I mean, I don't say surprisingly, but it you know, I didn't expect it to be that good.
If I had to do it again, I would get the chili dog.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
The burger was good, but
I had a burger, well, classic double or whatever they called it last time we came in, which has been a while ago now, and that was awesome too. But her burger was good tonight. So.
Yep. But I guess we'll wrap up. We're headed to Lowe's to get some more flowers to plant. Randy's so excited.
Hey, it's better than Walmart. So.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a Dairy Queen near you, what is your favorite flavor of Blizzard? Because they have a lot of good flavors, and so
I don't know how many it is. Probably 8 or 10.
a lot. So let us know what your favorite flavor of Blizzard is.
Yep.
And then give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you in the Millers in Paradise family. If you would like to plan a trip to Central Florida or a cruise, etc., I'm a travel agent. We're going to put my email right here, and you can email me for some free quotes. And my services are free. And I guess we'll wrap that up. Remember, Paradise
Is a chili dog state of mind?
I was going to say ice cream, but
Hey, priorities.
both.
Protein.
Yeah.
Protein.
This is really good. So we will see you guys on the next one.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, let's go get some flowers.
Oh, boy.